Polynomial transformations. Deep in the Swiss Alps, a hidden treasure chest is buried somewhere along a rocky path modeled by the equation y equals x squared. However, due to stormy conditions, the path has now been altered. The true path to the treasure is now modeled by y equals -2 to x minus 1 squared plus 3. Let's follow the original path first until we get some more clues on the new path. Hold on, our map has a legend. These letters might help us along the way, so let's keep them in mind. Cross the river. It seems our map is telling us to cross the river, but how? Find the a, k, d, and c values for a clue. Using the form y equals a, k, x minus d squared plus c, we can determine the following values. Our amplitude is -2, our k value is 2, our phase shift is 1, and our equation of axis is 3. Let's use our newfound values to see what they correlate to on our legend. From these letters, we can determine that we need a boat to cross the river. It seems we've encountered a village. Let's ask around and see if anyone has a boat. Madame Crano, here you go. Feel free to borrow my boat. Perfect. Now we can continue on our journey to find the hidden treasure. Before we leave the village, let's ask around to see if anyone knows how to find the treasure. Madame Crano, I haven't heard anything. Mr. Smith, the treasure is an old legend. All I know is that the original path, y equals x squared, was defined by the following table of values. Looks like our map is telling us to go into the forest. Let's use the table of values given by Mr. Smith for a clue on where to find the treasure. Let's use the formulas x over k plus d and ay plus c. Let's graph the new function to find the new path. What does this tell us? The original path we were following's parabola opens up. However, due to the amplitude of -2, the transformed path's parabola opens down. Therefore, to find the treasure, we need to go backwards and retrace our steps. Back to the legend. Let's check if the values of the transformed table of values correlate to anything on our legend. Solve the puzzle. Considering the fact that we need to retrace our steps and the table of values reveals Madame Crano on our legend, that can only mean one thing. The treasure must be at Madame Crano's house. Congrats, you successfully learned about polynomial transformations and found the treasure.